What is an insurance quote? An insurance quote is an estimate of what your rate could be with a potential insurance carrier. Quotes are subject to change depending on how much information you give at the time of the quote. The, the more forthcoming you are with information, the more accurate your insurance quote. Getting a single quote should not take much of your time. A lot of factors can affect the amount of time it takes to get an insurance quote. How many drivers and vehicles you have and where you get your quote can all affect the time it takes to actually get quote. Most people pick best insurance quote based on price. A couple of other things to consider include how effective the agent was at getting the quote to you and explaining all the information. If you are going the online route, how did you like inputting all of the information on your own? Did you feel comfortable with all the insurance terminology? Just as important is whether or not the quote has the coverage you need and want. When you are getting quotes on car insurance, you should have each company run the quote as similarly as possible. It is the only way you will know which carrier has the best price for you. Getting quotes often is advertised frequently, but how often should you really be getting insurance quotes? It really depends on your relationship with your insurance agency. If you love your insurance agent and trust them wholeheartedly, then maybe you should never shop for a new insurance carrier. There is something to be said for good service. Sometimes enough is enough when it comes to price though, and there is nothing to say you cannot find good services somewhere else. If your car insurance premium increases significantly renewal after renewal, it is probably time to start inquiring about new insurance quotes. To put an actual number on it, you should check around every 2 to 3 years, unless something is happening to make you unhappy with your current carrier. Getting quotes will give you the information you need to make sure you are still receiving a competitive rate. If the price difference with the new quote is only a little bit cheaper, you should probably stick with what you have. Automobile insurance quotes are one thing you should be comfortable with as a car owner. Insurance rates are always changing. Checking around for automobile insurance quotes maybe save your money.